acceptance by signing this. So you have that reduced, and to the left yes. And this other part here, we merge it, merge up to here to have borders flying around, no borders. This one has thick side border, this one too has thick outside border, these two thick outside border, no borders here. Down to here, no borders, no borders here, no borders, no borders. This thick outline border. You can see how I am repeating the steps. If you are doing it yourself, you know which way. You just have to go straight and finish your job. You do not have to be going and then coming back to clear some stuff. So this one too now has thick outline border, then merged, yes. So we have our closing remarks here. So that's quite good. Now we have, if you have any question concerning this quotation, please contact Mr. Dash. I'll reduce this font. Have a longer and stretches to the end. So at form no dash or email dash and merge all of these across to have just merge across, not merge, so merge across. Have this, and we close it by adding our thick outline border for the whole sheet. Thick outline border. this one we have